How's it going, everybody? I just put together my shoulder rig for my Sony NX800. Hello, since I recorded this video, I added a 90-degree HDMI cable so it wouldn't be so bulky. Plus, I placed two Ulanzi F22 quick release plates so I can connect my monitor while using my shoulder rig, and when I'm ready to place it back on the tripod, I can quickly disconnect it and place it on top of the second plate that I have placed on top of the camera and use it while using my tripod. All right, now back to the video. Thanks. I plan on covering race events. I go to ATV and dirt bike woods racing, and I will be covering the live events, doing interviews, and this is my setup. I got an Atomos Ninja 5. I got it hooked up to this little small rig. Clamp here. It's not a clamp, it's an adjustable arm. But let's turn this around and get a front view. These are made by Nicey Rig, and they are rosette pivoting grips. And I have the Liebig zoom controller. I am not happy with how this is right now. I just hurried up, found a little NATO rail with a 15mm tube that came with a follow focus, and I mounted it to the extension arm, but I'm using my front two fingers to adjust it. I don't care for it. I want to switch it around and use my thumb, but as of right now, I just put it together. This is 95% done, and I'm ordering some cable ties. I just hurried up and used some zip ties real quick. I bought a Nicey Rig shoulder pad. I already had the 15mm rails. These are 16 inches long, and they are plenty long for this camera and for my needs. But I plan on doing interviews, and right here is a Hollyland Lark M2 microphone, and here's the receiver, and all I have to do is go in the menu, switch it over to it, and we're ready to go. But I like this that I can put it on the tripod when I'm done. So I put a mount, an Arca Swiss plate on the bottom of it, and didn't even realize, I guess this was a Nicey Rig. Everything's Nicey Rig except the small rig adjustable arm. But this is how I'm going to do it, and I'm excited that this camera is so versatile now, and doing and using it as a shoulder mount is going to be nice. Just got to figure out this zoom controller, make it more comfortable for me. But I like that you can adjust the handles. They aren't the quick adjusting, but hey, this is going to do just fine for me. This is a budget build. I think I have maybe $200 into everything, not including the microphones or the monitor. But hey, thanks for watching.